My name is Wangwere from Acton John Thompson. And then, first of all, everyone is thanking the leadership who have brought us here. So it means they want us to change and to make sure that their companies are managed well. So in a summary, I'm sure that everyone who's here can believe with me that if I can say, do you believe when Daniela says she don't normally do this course? No one will believe. It's like she's doing it each and every day. So that's why they said each and every day a star is born. So I can say to Daniela, she's the star of giving facilitation. Yeah. Should she be giving any other facilitation? And then we need to choose, are you going to attend that program? I'm telling you, I'm going to attend it. And then I've once attended a similar management skill. I'm telling you, I didn't learn anything. But on this one, with these 3 sessions, I've managed to learn a lot. And then I can say, it's like we need to go to Cape Town to get our leadership skill. And then she have used an aeroplane, and then the one that I was learning before, they were using a bicycle. So thank you very much. You are a star.